Hello students, I welcome all of you to my educational YouTube channel Guneswar Kalita tutorial. Students, today I am going to discuss English grammar question text part 2. Students, I appeal all of you to watch my video first, then to subscribe my channel and then share my videos. Students, I also appeal all of you to comment on my videos, and you may also ask me what type of video you want from me. So students, now question text part 2, more sentences with question text. Number 1, you are not upset. Are you? You are not upset. This is negative statement and this is affirmative tag. She didn't contact him. Didn't contact. Negative statement. Affirmative tag. Did she? Next, number 3. They are not tired. They are not tired. Negative statement. Are they? Affirmative question tag. Next, number 4. The fruits are fresh. Aren't they? So the fruits are fresh. Affirmative statement. Aren't they? Negative question tag. Next, number 5. You called me up in the morning. Didn't you? You called me up in the morning. Affirmative. This part is affirmative sentence. This part is negative tag. You all attended the award ceremony, didn't you? Affirmative statement, negative question tag. She looked, next number 7, she looked gorgeous. Affirmative, this part affirmative statement, this part negative question tag, didn't she? Number 8, I have given you the papers, haven't I? As this part affirmative, this part negative. So next, number 9, you have completed your project, haven't you? Affirmative, this part negative. Next, number 10, this is a beautiful vase, isn't it? Affirmative statement, negative question tag. Next question, add appropriate question tags to the following statements. Students, here questions and answers are given all together. So it is not given separately. Question is like this: these students are really intelligent, comma, and this is blank space, only blank space. And answer is given in this way: these students are really intelligent. Affirmative statement. Aren't they? Negative question tag. This is the answer. So it is given all together. Already I told. Next, number 2. Do call me. Do call me. Affirmative question tag. Negative. Affirmative statement. Negative question tag. Won't you? Means will not you. In short, won't you. Next, number 3. I am absolutely right. Aren't I? Next, number 4. She was not being truthful. Was she? Next, number 5. Your book is widely read, isn't it? As this part affirmative, this part negative. Tag part negative. Next, number 6. My servant is very talkative, isn't he? Next, number 7. We should not violate traffic rules. Should we? Number 8. Her parents have left for London. Haven't they? Next, please stand here. Won't you? Next, students, number 10. The earthquake The earthquake in Japan was a great tragedy. So this is affirmative statement and this is negative question tag, wasn't it? Next, number 11. We can't travel at night. Can we? Question mark. Next, Indians show unity in diversity. And this is the blank in question. Don't they? The answer is don't they. So you will write both the parts as answer, the statement, and also in the blank you will write the proper tag. So Indians show unity in diversity. Don't they? Next, number 13. He is scared of the dark, isn't he? Next, number 14. The train is late, isn't it? Question mark. Number 15. Let us go for a walk, shall we? But while using let us, it's affirmative statement, but question tag is also affirmative. Next, add appropriate question tags to the following. Number 1. Your speech was well received, wasn't it? Question mark. Your speech was well received. Affirmative statement, negative question tag. Next, number 2. You have done your homework, haven't you? He has done the job well, haven't he? Hasn't he? Number 4. We must not be late, must we? Number 5. You are a student, aren't you? Are a student, aren't you? Aren't you? Next, number 6. The days come to school. The boys, not days, the boys come to school in time, don't they? This is affirmative statement. This is negative question tag. Next, number 7. You know the answer, don't you? Affirmative statement, negative question tag. Number 8. My father doesn't like sweets. My father doesn't like sweets, does he? The girl sings well. Here auxiliary verb is not given, so do verb is taken as helping verb. Then as the girl sings, third person singular number used, so doesn't she is added as it is affirmative statement. This part negative question tag. Number 10. You came home yesterday, didn't you? You came here also. Auxiliary verb is not used, anomalous verb is not used, so do verb is taken as helping verb. Then past form as came was past form of come, so do past form did. Negative term not you, didn't you. Next, number 11. You are a student, aren't you? Number 12. The boys look happy, don't they? Next, number 13. We have met before, haven't we? Next, number 14. I am a student, aren't I? Next, number 15. He has his breakfast at 8 a.m. He has his breakfast at 8 a.m. means he he takes his breakfast. He eats his breakfast at 8 a.m. Doesn't he? Question mark. Next, number 16. She will go there tomorrow. Won't she? Question mark. Next, number 17. He has plenty of books. Hasn't he? Next, number 18. Lipika can sing well. Can't she? Next, she looks smart. Doesn't she? Next, number 20. I am a student of a good school. Aren't I? Number 21. Mr. Richard is not a doctor. Is he? As this is negative statement, the answer is affirmative tag. Next, number 22. He went home yesterday. Didn't he? Question mark. Next, number 23. Children like sweets. Don't they? Don't they? Next. Sarita is fair. Isn't she? Number 25. Your father is a doctor. Isn't he? Number 26. I will come late. Won't I? Next, number 27. You like him. Don't you? 28. He will never give up. Won't he? Next, number 29. You know the answer. Don't you? Number 30. The boys look happy. Don't they? So students, once again I repeat all of you to watch the video and share the video and also comment on my video. Thank you very much.